Product number 7200925P. Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Nexgrill 4-burner propane gas grill, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll start by assembling your grill's cart frame. First, attach the bottom cart frames to your grill's cart legs by loosening the pre-assembled screws at the bottom of your right cart legs, sliding the bottom cart frame into place, then retightening the screws. Repeat these steps for the left cart legs. Next, attach a top cart frame to each set of cart legs by loosening the pre-assembled screws located on the inside of each cart leg, sliding the top cart frame into place, then retightening the pre-assembled screws. Once in place, secure the top cart frame with 2 A-screws. Once both top cart frames are secure, we'll join the right and left cart legs together using the rear cart frame. To do so, loosen the pre-assembled screws on your rear cart legs, slide the rear cart frame into place, then retighten the pre-assembled screws. Next, attach the 2 front panels by first loosening the 4 pre-assembled screws on the inside of each front cart leg. Once all 8 pre-assembled screws are loosened, mount the panel with the serial tag on the bottom and the blank panel on the top. When mounting, make sure the hooks in your panels are facing downward. Once positioned correctly, retighten all 8 pre-assembled screws. Next, slide your grill's wheels into place. Then, using an adjustable wrench, secure them to the cart with 1 F-washer and 1 E-nut apiece. Please note that the nylon side of each E-nut should face outward. Once both wheels are secure, attach your grill's cart feet to the bottom of the left cart legs by sliding them into place until you hear a click. Next, install your first tank wire by inserting the large hook into the farthest left hole on the inside of the front panel. Then secure the other end of the wire to the rear cart frame with 1 B-screw. Then install the second tank wire by first inserting the right end of the wire into the back right cart leg, then the left end of the wire into the front leg. Next, find your grill's firebox. Before mounting, remove the 2 pre-assembled screws located on the bottom right and left sides of the control panel. With your cart in place, now it's time to affix the firebox assembly on top. This step requires 2 people. Carefully lift the firebox assembly and place it on top of your cart, making sure that the hose remains outside of the cart. Once in place, secure the firebox assembly with 2 A-screws on each side of the firebox. Then 2 more A-screws beneath each top cart frame. Next, assemble your grill's left side shelf by attaching the side shelf control panel to the rest of the side shelf assembly using 3 B-screws. Once assembled, mount the left side shelf on the left side of the firebox by slightly loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws on the left side of your grill, sliding the shelf into place like so, and then retightening the screws. Secure the shelf into place with 2 additional B-screws underneath the shelf into the control panel, plus 3 A-screws and 3 C-washers from the inside of the firebox. Repeat these steps over on the right side of the firebox to assemble and mount your grill's side burner bowl assembly. Next, loosen the pre-assembled screws on the side burner gas valve. Then carefully and firmly insert the valve through the side burner control panel. Once inserted, retighten the pre-assembled screws and attach the control knob. Next, find the side burner and remove the 2 pre-assembled screws from the bottom. After that, slide the side burner down into its assembly and over the tip of the main gas valve. Once set, reinstall the 2 pre-assembled screws into the bottom of the side burner. Next, position the side burner igniter wire onto the needle protruding from the side burner assembly. Now we'll assemble your grease tray by attaching the bracket to the main tray using 2 B-screws and 2 D-washers. Once your grease tray is fully assembled, simply slide it into the back of the grill, then insert the grease cup into the grease tray. Next, open the lid on your grill and put each flame tamer into place at the bottom of the main burner bowl. No screws are necessary to secure the flame tamers. On top of those will be the cooking grids. Place the grids into place above the flame tamers, making sure the holes in each grid are facing the front of the grill. Then set the warming rack into place, followed by the side burner cooking grid. After that, unscrew the pulse igniter module cap on the grill's main control panel. Then insert a AA battery, positive side facing out, into the slot. Then reinstall the cap. With your grill nearly assembled, now it's time to attach the liquid propane tank. First, slide your tank into the cart so that it sits in the frame's grooves, allowing the tank wire to swing up into the cart. Once in place, lift the tank wire up and over the top rim of the propane tank to secure it in place. And finally, carefully connect the gas line to your tank. Your Nexgrill 4-burner gas grill is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.